Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Heather and I'm the Eclectic Mema, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing my September Sips by box. Sips by is a, and it looks like it got a little ding in getting to me, but that's okay. Sips by is a tea subscription box. It is, I always forget how much it is. I believe it's $12 a month, but it could be $15. And I will link the information below here and in the description. And you take a little survey and you let them know if you want loose leaf, bag tea, caffeine, high caffeine, low caffeine, no caffeine, and what kind of flavors you like in your tea. And they send you, I believe it's 2 to 4 servings on each tea that you get, so that you'll be sure to try it. And my husband and I shared this box, so let's see what we got. We do give it every month, and you get a little pamphlet. It says September tea, and then on the back it says made for Heather. And let's see what we got this month. The first thing I'm seeing is, and we got 4 bags, is Asheville Tea Company Jasmine Gold, Jasmine Green Tea, Jasmine Flower, Chrysanthemum Flower, some caffeine, 2 to 3 minutes steep. Can read that, all right. And let's see if it says anything else about that. Jasmine Gold by Asheville Tea Company, 1 bag per 8 ounce. Medium caffeine. Jasmine scented green tea is combined with whole jasmine flowers and locally grown chrysanthemum flowers. Okay. And it's a floral delight to uplift your spirits any time of the day. And then the next thing I'm seeing is Fava Tea Company Candied Pistachio Caffeine-Free Herb Tea. That sounds very, very interesting. I doubt I can get my husband to try that, but we'll see. He does actually like pistachios, so we'll see. We'll have to try this together probably. And in this one it says Candied Pistachio Sips by Fava Tea. Caffeine-free, curl up on a cool, crisp afternoon or evening with this warm, soothing tea. The smell is like a sweet, delicate whiff of the comfort that comes from being at home and relaxing. Oh, wow. Ah, that is cool. It looks like there's real pistachios as opposed to fake pistachios. I can't talk today. Pistachios. That looks really interesting. This loose leaf tea is blended with dates, pistachios, sliced almonds, rose petals, and flavoring. Okay, actually, I'm seeing if I can smell it through there. I can kind of smell that one. All right, we have 2 more in here. We have Sabroso Chai, a blend of cultures. Mystic Chai. Blend of loose leaves, black tea, and spices. Set body and mind. Mystical Chai Sips by Sabroso Chai. Goodness gracious. There we go. This does not want to focus today. Alright. We did it. For Sabroso Chai. Jasmine black tea, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and pepper. High caffeine. Mystic Chai lets us embrace the magical elements that makes us who we are by helping us feel healthy and powerful. Enjoy this blend on its own or add a splash of milk. And then on the Jasmine Gold, it says underneath it says Jasmine Green Tea, Jasmine Flowers, locally grown chrysanthemum. Candied pistachios, dates, pistachios, sliced almonds, rose petals. It just says what it says on the back. All right. And last but not least, we have, there's quite a few bags. Like I said, they have like 4 servings. Storehouse Tea Bright Mint Organic Green Tea. Lively and clean, this classic gunpowder green tea is blended with the finest peppermint and spearmint, refreshing palate. I love mint. Love, love, love mint. Okay, and it says on that one, Bright Mint. Sips by Storehouse Tea. Organic gunpowder green tea leaves, organic peppermint, organic spearmint, low caffeine. Lively and clean, this classic gunpowder green tea is blended with the finest peppermint and spearmint. Okay, so it's the same thing. And then, of course, last but not least, we get little tea bags to put the loose leaf tea in if you want. If you prefer, or if you have an infuser, I have an infuser that I like to use. That's what they look like. You just put it in there and then toss it. And I don't know why I say reusable. It's recycled, not reusable, but recycled. And they always come in a sachet, and I have quite a few of them by now. And that's everything that we got in this bag. Again, we have Bright Mint Organic Green Tea, which I can't wait to try because I love mint. And I know that my daughters will not be stealing that because they don't like mint. Neither does my son. And then Samburjo Chai, Mystic Chai. And I just want to show you the back of that loose leaf goodness. And then Candied Pistachio. Looks like. And Asheville Tea Company Jasmine Gold. I'm excited for this one too because I haven't tried jasmine teas. And that's everything we got in our September Sips By. I have had this for a couple days now. Just life has gotten the best of me the past week or so. But again, Sips By is a monthly tea subscription company, and they send in subscription box, and they send you teas based on your profile. And I haven't had a problem yet. I kind of like those, but I think I'll start doing tasting videos. So look forward to that in the future. So subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell notification so you can see those videos when I upload them. And like this video. And comment below if you have the subscription, if you like the subscription, if it's something that is interesting to you. Thank you, and have a great day. Till the next one. Bye.